Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this flawless frontal wig install using all of my skills and techniques. So if you want to see how I got this bomb look, stay tuned. So this is the wig that we're going to be working with today. This wig is from Pure Hair Factory. It is a 20-inch straight frontal wig, 13x4. It is HD lace, so as you can see, see-through, straight scalp, okay? Don't worry, I got you. I am going to leave all the details of this wig and everything you need to know down in the comments below. Also, the color of this wig is P64. Just want to make sure I don't forget that. This is after I plucked and bleached the knots and all of that. This is actually going to be my next video, is just a customization and how to customize your frontal. So make sure you stay tuned for that. So now we're just going to go ahead and get right into it. I'm not going to lie, y'all. I was so scared and nervous to install this wig. I'm not the biggest fan of color, but here we are. Yeah, once I put it on, I was like, you know what, this is actually cute. But let's get into how I actually install my wigs. Now, I'm giving you all this information for free, okay? So you're lucky, period. Hey. Now, if you don't know, I have my own lace glue. This is my lace glue, Akiva McQuell Super Laid Adhesive. It is waterproof and it is sweat resistant. A very extreme hold. So all my ladies who still want to wear a wig and be cute in this hot heat, because it has been over 90 degrees this summer, get you some of this glue right here. I promise you it will not fail you. I promise you, okay? So when you are applying the glue, you want to make sure that you're not applying too much glue. That is often like the #1 mistake when doing your application and applying glue, is you just applying too much. You don't need much. You want to make sure you apply thin layers, and that is also how you achieve that flawless and seamless look. If you apply too much glue at one time, it's going to be chunky. It's not going to blend seamlessly. Like the lace is not going to like melt into the glue seamlessly, and that's what we want to go for. So just apply thin layers, and this is how it should look. It should be completely clear. Y'all see that? I let my glue dry all the way clear before I go to the next layer. Now, I'm just going to do 3 layers today because that's really all I need. I really don't plan on having this wig on for that long. Then I'm just going to go on to my next section, and I'm going to do those same exact steps. Literally. Don't make it too hard. Another tip that I want to tell you guys is don't come out too far from the cap. You're going to see in a clip in just a second where after the wig is glued down, I'm still going to have a few pieces in the front that's going to need to be glued down. So you see how that's clear? Yeah, that's how you want that to look. So then you just comb that in. And y'all, excuse me, but I had a praise break, honey. I was listening to my gospel music while I was installing my wig. It's never, baby, always praise God. I don't care what time of day it is. But now I am just combing in the other section. And this is what I mean by you may still have other pieces left that you need to glue down. This is kind of like what you want to go for, because I don't want to have glue outside of my lace. I'd rather have to go back and glue it down. That is how you know that your install is really going to be very neat. So now I am just taking my elastic band and tying it down, and then I just took a bigger one and tied that down over it to just really make sure it melts. And I went and actually I didn't sit up on the dryer. I didn't use any melting spray. I just literally put my band on immediately after I applied my glue. Okay, so this is how it looks. No spray has been used, nothing. That was just our first melt. Now I'm going to go in with my Carrot Care wax stick. Y'all, this is the only wax. I've been using Carrot Care wax stick for years. I have not switched to any other wax stick because it's not like a heavy product. It's not. Like, it just gets the job done. I love it. Now, it is a bit on the expensive side, but when it comes to me, I'm not using cheap products, okay? I'm gonna always go for the best quality products because, again, that's how you achieve flawless installs, baby. Now I'm going in with my hot comb. I also sell these hot combs, y'all, to get that hair and my sections really, really flat. Now I'm using this Teak melting spray. This is my first time actually using this, y'all. So I'm testing this spray out today to see how I like it. And it wasn't too bad, you know, like, I'm not gonna lie, all these sprays kind of starting to seem the same to me, but I'm kind of just going through like a little phase right now where I'm just testing out different sprays. I always test out different sprays to see because it's just so many, like literally so many. The blow dryer that I use is a Dyson blow dryer. This blow dryer is very, very expensive. I want to say it's almost $400 and some dollars. I don't know, but love this blow dryer down. Now I'm actually sitting under the dryer. I sat under the dryer for like 10-15 minutes, and now this is after the actual melt. So now after I did all that, now I'm going to go in and just do a few layers. I didn't really want to do any baby hairs today. I just kind of wanted to go for a clean, just natural look. So that's what I did, and it just made the install very easy to hurry up and get done with also. But now I am curling. I'm using my T3 curling iron. I want to say this is the 1.75, the biggest one that they have. I love this curling iron down, okay? If you want that sexy look, the big curl, loose curl, get this curling iron right here, okay? I really do not like using like the smaller curling irons unless a client recommends that they want smaller curls. But if I curl hair, I'm always going to use this curling iron because it just gives classy. Like, it really does. But y'all, speaking in terms of the quality of this hair, I'm really not a big fan of pre-colored wigs because usually they just be bad quality. I'm not even going to sit up here and lie to y'all and tell y'all like, oh yeah, no. Usually pre-colored wigs are just such bad quality, but this wig was actually good. Like, this wig was actually good, and the place that I got this hair from is actually located 20 minutes outside of Atlanta. It's in Doraville. I also leave that in the description below so you know where to go, but you can actually go in the store and pick this wig up if you're in Atlanta. If you're not in Atlanta, don't worry, you can also order the wig and they will ship it to you, okay? I will also be leaving my discount code below in the description box, okay? So you can get you some money off to purchase this wig, honey. Because why not? We love a good discount. But make sure y'all like, subscribe, comment. Let me know how you like this video. And I will see y'all next time.